Did you know that studying less can actually get you better grades than those students who are glued to their books for 12 hours a day? Sounds wild, right? But science backs it up if you're using the right tricks. Imagine acing your exams, having tons of free time, and still being the coolest kid in class. Stick with me, because I'm about to show you how to make that your story, step by step. This video's got 3 key parts to unlock that dream, so don't bounce watch till the end. Part 1. Beat procrastination. Like a boss. Let's be real, studying can feel like a total drag, especially when it gets tough. Your brain's like, nah, I'd rather scroll TikTok or binge Netflix. That's procrastination kicking in. It's not just laziness, it's your brain dodging the pain of hard work. But if you can crush procrastination, you'll unlock a superpower, getting more done in less time. Here's how it sneaks up on you: anticipation. You start thinking about how awesome it'd feel to watch that one video or play that game. Action. You do it, hours vanish while you're lost in YouTube or Fortnite. Aftermath. Guilt hits. You swear you won't do it again until tomorrow rolls around. Sound familiar? Here's the fix. Catch it early. When a distracting thought pops up like, ooh, what's trending on Instagram? Don't jump on it. Grab a piece of paper, jot it down, and promise yourself you'll check it out later, during a break. Boom, you stay on track without feeling deprived. Part 2. Study smarter, not harder. Now that you've tamed procrastination, let's tackle laziness. Ever feel like the couch is calling your name louder than your homework? Try this trick from a productivity pro. Grab a notebook and write down every reason you can't study. I'm too tired, it's too hard, I'll do it later. Keep going until you realize they're just excuses. Suddenly you're like, wait, I can do this. It's like calling yourself out, and it flips a switch to get you moving. Next, focus is your secret weapon. Here's some easy math. Work done equals time spent. How focused you are. Most kids study for 10 hours, but barely focus. Let's call it a 3 out of 10. That's 10. 3 equals 30 units of work. And what about you? Study for 3 hours with laser focus. A 10 out of 10, and you get 3. 10 equals 30 units. Same result, way less time. Now, how do you hit that max focus? Set a timer for 50 minutes, no phone, no distractions, just you and your work. Then take a 10-minute break to scroll, snack, or stretch. It's like a brain workout with a reward. Studying gets way less boring. Part 3. Hack your grades with pro tips. You're focused. You're energized now. Let's make every minute count. Forget endless note copying. That's like learning to skate by reading a manual. Instead, use active recall. Close your book and explain the stuff in your own words. For math, ditch the notes and do practice problems without peeking. It's like flexing your brain muscles. The more you do it, the stronger your memory gets. Struggling with boring teachers? Level up with Khan Academy or other educational YouTube channels. It's free, it's awesome, and it explains stuff way better than that droning lecture. Use it to boost what you're learning in school or get ahead. It's your secret weapon. Finally, ace those exams without studying everything. Here's the cheat code. Ask teachers for old exam papers or hit up older students for theirs. Spot the topics that pop up every time and focus there. Do practice tests. They're like rehearsals for the big day. The big finish. There you go, the ultimate guide to studying less and scoring higher. It's not about grinding for hours, it's about studying smart. Beat procrastination. Lock in that focus. Grab the best resources and practice like a pro. You're not just surviving school, you're owning it. And don't forget to subscribe. Hustling Phenomena. Now, go crush those exams and live your best life. Until next time.